And rotate from the tops of the legs. Push the heels into the floor. Don't sit back in the hamstrings. Present the heel forward. Oh, my back! Oh, my knees! The backs of my knees. Ow, we're thinking peaceful thoughts. I'm fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Did I lock my door when I left? I did not hear anything the teacher just corrected me on. Oh, she's nodding. Okay, I'll just pretend I fixed it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Why is this so fast? Why is this so slow? If I have to listen to another ballet class arrangement of K-pop Demon Hunters, I am going to lose it. Her name was Lola. She was a showgirl. Why do I feel old? I think I forgot to put my laundry in the dryer. Everyone here is better than me. Should I start learning chess? You know what they say. There is always a 12-year-old who could do this better. Fondue, yes, the superior exercise. Does anyone actually like frappes? 1, change 2, 3, 4, and... Do you think owls have knees? Happy place. I'm in my happy place. Sorry to the person who's following me because I'm about to lead you astray. I kind of have to pee. What if I quit ballet and move to the seaside? I could become a barista. Yes, my back has been needing to crack this entire time. Why is this so fast? Yeah, a barista. I'm getting kind of chilly. Never mind, it's hot again. I wonder if I could sell my soul for better turnout. Why won't my hip crack? Whee! How many degrees of turnout do you think I'm worth? Do you think the turnout gods would even want my soul? And boom. Yeah, nailed it. You know what would be easier than this? Starting a YouTube channel.